In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a sales funnel using GetResponse. Whether you're just starting out with digital marketing or looking to enhance your existing sales process, a well-structured sales funnel is critical in guiding potential customers towards making a purchase. So, let's dive in and walk through the process step by step. First things first, open up any browser of your choice and search for GetResponse. Once you're on the website, go ahead and log into your account. This will take you straight to the dashboard, which serves as the hub for managing all your campaigns and analytics. From the dashboard, you'll want to navigate over to the Tools menu. It's essential to familiarize yourself with these options, as they encompass a wide range of functionalities that GetResponse offers. For our purpose today, you'll click on Conversion Funnel from the drop-down list. When you select Conversion Funnel, you'll see the option to Create Funnel, so go ahead and click that to get started. Now, you'll see a prompt to name your funnel and choose its type. GetResponse offers several options here. You can build a funnel for list building, selling a product, conducting paid webinars, or selling downloadable products like ebooks. Choose the one that best aligns with your end goal. Once your funnel type is set, the next step is to create a sign-up page. This is crucial, as it serves as the first point of interaction where visitors will provide their information. GetResponse offers a variety of customizable templates to choose from, or you can start from scratch using their intuitive drag-and-drop editor. After you're happy with the design, simply click Next Step and then Publish. Depending on the type of funnel you've chosen, there may be additional elements to create, such as sales pages, order forms, and confirmation pages. These components are meant to streamline the customer's journey, making it as seamless as possible for them to complete a transaction or sign up for your content. After setting up the pages, it's time to focus on communication through an automated email, also known as an autoresponder. This email will be sent immediately after a contact signs up, serving as a touchpoint to welcome them and provide any initial information they might need. To keep the momentum going, you can choose from an array of email templates offered by GetResponse. Customize the content to include a link to your lead magnet or a special offer to entice potential customers. For long-term engagement, consider setting up a series of emails. These follow-up emails nurture your contacts, gradually building interest and trust over time. And there you have it. Your sales funnel is now set up and ready to help convert traffic into loyal customers. With GetResponse, the process is streamlined and efficient, allowing you to focus on what you do best, growing your business.